Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Charge 3. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of the speaker. Firstly, you can do it by going to JBL Portable app, and the current battery level of your speaker is located right here. Also, you can turn off the speaker and plug it to charging to check battery level. After you plug it to charging port, LED light will indicate the current battery level. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.